Shelly, it's breakfast time. Breakfast time, David. You ready? You want breakfast? Shelly, you ready for breakfast? You want breakfast? Well, let's go get it. Let's go get it. Yeah, you're both so pretty. You both want some breakfast, don't you? Yeah. You're such good kids. You're such good kids. Hi, David. Hi, Shelly. Hi. He's so quiet. You got like the quietest purr in the world, I think. There you go. You're so pretty. Okay, come on, let's get some breakfast. Bum 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 ba da 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 da. Everybody likes breakfast time. Ooh, ooh. Shall we get a little bit? La, la. David gets a little bit more than Shelly. Not too much, it's the same thing. Oh. Shelly gets some of these delicious treats. Yeah, Shelly gets some of these delicious treats. Oh, David's toys. Oh. Okay, come on. We gotta wash the bowls and prepare the food like we always do. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go wash the bowls. Beautiful girl. You're such a beautiful girl. You're such a beautiful girl. Oh, yeah. People just don't know how pretty you are. You're such an angel. You're such an angel. All right, let me get your breakfast ready, okay? Gotta get some fresh water too, right, babe? Let's get some fresh water. Yeah, I know, David, you're starving. I know, right? You're starving to death. And Shelly's so thirsty for fresh water. Yeah, you're so thirsty for fresh water. Everybody likes crushed ice around here. Except me. David and Shelly like crushed ice. Come on, girl. Yeah, you're still there. You're waiting for the water. Okay. I know this refrigerator pours too slowly for a big bowl of water. There we go. There you go, guys. Now then, back to breakfast. David, I gotta get your medicine. One more. I know you like it soupy. You like it soupy. Looks delicious. Okay. Does that meet with your approval? Is that delicious? Okay. Let's go. Come on. You go first. You go ahead. You go ahead. Shelly's waiting too. And Shelly, you don't get your breakfast in here. No, you need peace and quiet. And privacy. David. David likes his breakfast a little bit wet, and I put half of a pill in it, so that way he can taste it. Come on, Shelly. Come on, pretty girl. Pretty girl. And you can get your breakfast too. Good job. We love you, honey. We love you. We can't love David when he's eating because he gets a little stressed when people go around his food, right, babe? But he doesn't bother you. He loves you. Okay. Everybody's happy. Now David's ready to play. See, I'm ready to start my morning. Think I'll play by myself. You're funny. Where's my girl? Oh, there she is. Hey, Shelly. You gonna get a little more water? Okay, babe. So hope everybody's having a great day. We got a good start here. Looks like another rainy day, though.